Hey, come here. I'm going to show you how to catch a huge bass. There's a huge bass over here, like a 5-pounder. Here, come here. I'm going to help you catch it. Even if it's not alive, it's fine. Alright, here, walk up here. Walk where I'm walking.
So you don't see the bass right there?
The huge bass is right there. I don't know if you can see it. Don't move. See it. Stay right there. You try here. Look through my glasses a little bit. Do you see it? Kinda. Do you see him?
Yeah.
See it? So
yeah.
Put the bluegill, right around there, and try to cast it from here. Don't get too close because it'll move away. You're right about there. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, it's going. You got it. Hold on. You got it. Set the hook. Set the hook. Set the hook. Oh,
I broke my line off.
Damn. Yeah. What pound test line do you have?
10.
What kind of knot did you tie? I don't think your knot was good enough. Yeah, your knot came undone. What kind of knot was it?
I think a trout knot. I don't know.
Do you know how to do a clinch knot or a polymer knot?
No, I have no idea.
Alright, well, you had him bite, so you want me to teach you real quick?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go over there. It's a real easy knot.
Ooh, I got it.
You got her? Nice, man. Oh, nice, dude. Here, I'll help you land her. Oh, dude. Nice! Nice! That's what I'm talking about!
Dude.
That's what I'm talking about! Nice, dude.
Yo, hold on, let me take a picture.
Yeah, I'm gonna weigh it for you so we know exactly how big she is. It's your fish. I'll take a picture for you. Dude, this is a, oh my god, man. This has got to be a 5.5 pounder.
At least.
Using a sunny, that's what I'm talking. Let's see what you got. 4 pounds, 5 pounds, 3 ounces. That's a 5-pounder. That's what I'm talking about. And you just kind of put it down in the water.
Yeah.
And you use your other hand, just squeeze it and it'll come out. So you can just put it on the water so she doesn't drop. Yeah, just squeeze that thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, squeeze it up. Alright, there you go, like that. And let it go. Yeah, just there you go. You can just push her in the water if you want. She'll be fine. Oh. Yeah, let's get her out of the mud.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
Oh,
There.
I still got my funny, dude.
And look, she's going right on the bed. Nice job, man. Check it out. This is called hand fishing. Oh my god, I got a largemouth! Yeah!
So stupid! No, we have to take a picture of it.
I'm kidding. This is gonna be my first.
You are saving the fish.
This is gonna be my first smallmouth of the day. Oh, jeez.
Jesus! Is there anywhere the fish can go?
No.
Dude, what the f? These fish are so.
First smallmouth of the day. Didn't even have to use my rod.
Noodling.
Noodling.
Oh man, you're good.
All right,
Yeah,
let's go.
noodling for smallmouth.
Yeah. All right, let's go. All right, go become a 10-pounder. I found something cool.
Oh really? A turtle. Is it that?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
Where's the head?
Be careful. Is it a snapping? Is it a snapper?
Dude, it's a sea turtle! Oh my god! It's a sea turtle! Check it out! Holy crap! Dude!
What the heck is a sea turtle doing here?
It came from the sea!
No, we have to take a picture of this stuff.
Picture. Sea turtle! Oh, snap! Dude,
wow.
Picture, and he sent it to me, alright? Alright. Dude, look at this turtle!
What the heck is a sea turtle?
Oh my god! Oh, Jesus, I think it's trying to bite me.
Does this thing bite?
I don't know. Take a picture before it bites me. Alright, go live. Second cast muskie, 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 second cast muskie. That's what I'm talking about. Second cast muskie. That's a muskie right here. Second cast muskie. It's a small one, but still. First muskie. Jeez Louise. No, you're gonna escape. Second cast muskie. This is a muskie. Second cast, hook to muskie. Using a big 6-inch Rapala X-Wrap. Gotta get my grippers right here. Alright. Second cast muskie. Second cast muskie right here. Look at that sucker. I'm not gonna curse in this video. Second cast muskie. Second cast. Man, how come Kevin's not here? I need my landing buddy. Oh. Jeez. Ow! Second cast muskie. Second cast muskie. Second cast muskie. You're mine, second cast muskie. Second cast muskie. Right here. Second cast muskie. Beautiful fish. I don't have a tape measure, but it looks pretty long, pretty healthy. We'll let him go. Look at this guy. What a beautiful fish. Thanks for that first muskie. Ah, there he goes. Whew. Whoa, where's the bridge? What? What? Down here at Lake Kittamakundi. Yeah, down here at Lake Kittamakundi. This place is flooded. Alright, the water's visibility is reduced to 3 inches. Normally what, 3 feet?
Yeah,
2
so
feet?
like 3-4 feet.
And we're gonna see where these fish went. We're thinking maybe they went downstream a little bit. We'll have to check this stuff out. This is the crossing. Here's the sidewalk. There's the crossing, completely flooded. This will be fun. Huh? Well, what happens is the fish get washed out, and any place with no current, see how there's no current here? The fish will hang there until it gets better. So, yeah, it'll be tough to find them. It's definitely tough conditions, but I'm already out here, so I'm gonna try to learn a thing or two today. Not gonna lie, guys, I'm on the walkway now. It's about 2 feet over my legs, and it is a struggle. It might be a little difficult catching fish. It's starting to rain now too. That means it's just gonna get even higher. Oh, there's fish right there. What is that? What is that? What is that? Some type of fish right there. Damn these conditions. Ruining my perfect record. Oh, this! Let's go! Come on! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. More than a skunk. Right there. You saw, everyone saw it. No skunk today, baby. All right, let's go. Feisty. Getting on a pattern here.
What? What? I am not scared of you. You're a bird. You're a
Quacking.
bird. Well, yeah, now that I'm walking away, you're going to start talking
Quack.
huh? Yeah, back the
Quack.
fuck up before I
Quack.
fuck you up,
Quack.
sucker. What? Don't walk towards me once I'm walking away from you.
Quack all.
I'm just trying not to get that close.
Quack.
You!
Quack.
You!
Kind sir, if you could, please leave me alone. I'm having a really bad day today. Went to Hardee's this morning. They had no buttermilk biscuits. I couldn't believe it.
Honestly! Oh, I swear to God. The shoes are off, pal. Back off. Get away from me. It snapped!
Quack.
Ew!
I forgot the alphabet. What letter comes after X?
Why? 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 Why?
you.